gonna show you my order from Amazon. So we're going to unboxing this. Let's do it! May ano ako dito kasama. Si Adson Mabel.
Hi.
Okay.
What
So
is that?
I thought this is the one. So I thought this is the laptop bag. This is the bag, laptop bag, and makeup remover. No, makeup removal, mouse, and the table. Ano? No, for the iPad. This one for the stand. Alright, now I know. So this is the laptop. So this is the inside. So this is the one. This is the laptop because it's heavy. From Amazon. See, it's very accessible, convenient if you want to shop online. So we're going to open this. So nag-unboxing na ako dito sa aking trabaho. Kasi excited ako. Ayan siya. Certified refurbished. Which is, it's look brand new, but it's not brand new. Okay. So this is the one. I'll show you guys. So we have the charger, the cord charger. And this is the final. Okay. So we're gonna do this. Type C. Yeah, Type C. Type C na siya. Wow, smart pro to eh. This is the business laptop. 14 inches as ThinkPad, and it's sold by the seller. So thank you, seller. I'm gonna have this now. I'm going to try this again. So this is Lenovo, brand Lenovo. Okay.
This is nice, huh?
See, look, it's so brand new. It's good and smell brand new. See, look. Diba? So I'm gonna try this at home. So Lenovo shop, brand Lenovo. Because I have an assignment from my boss, so I'm doing this. My old laptop is not so work well. So this one is.
I'm the playing.
I have here, see? Ate Mabel, see? It's like
I want to play my.
it's like a kid's. Oh, okay. So this is the one. So I will throw the box because it's so slow. Your device ran into the problem. Oh, what is this? I need to restart. We're just connecting some earrings and then we'll restart. What is this? What is this? What happened on this? So I'm going to close this. See you guys. Bye.